Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Mailchimp automations for AI campaigns step by step clearly. Log into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Automations tab on your dashboard. Select the automation you want to backup. Click on the automation to open its detailed settings. Review the automation's workflow, including triggers and actions. Take note of any tags, segments, or audience settings used in the automation. Open each email in the automation sequence to analyze content. Copy the subject lines and body content of each email. Paste this information into a document for safekeeping. Return to the automation settings and document any custom code, if applicable. Check for any integrations or external services linked to the automation. Document these integrations and their settings separately. Download any files or assets used within the emails, such as images or PDFs. Organize all gathered information into structured folders in your backup. Review your backup to ensure all necessary components are included. Store the backup document in a secure location for future reference. Consider setting reminders to periodically update your backup, especially after major changes. You are now ready to safely restore your automations when needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.